Look how they come out with buckets and nets, all excited. They cheer when they catch a fish. You can see both small and big fish swimming around. Every catch brings smiles and laughter to their faces. Some people even go into the deep water. They walk through it, feeling the flow around their legs, looking for fish. Some of the fish are very big, but big fish need more people to catch them. The bigger the fish, the louder the cheer. Water reaches the tree branches. Some fish even jump to eat fruits from the trees. The fish are curious and nibble on the low-hanging fruits.